Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing. This time it is an American Eagle Embraer E-175. This is my second in the Envoy / American Eagle collection. I have this another American Eagle right here. This is the E-145. This video, the E-145 unboxing video, will be coming out 3 days after this, so stay tuned for that. This is coming out 3 days after this American Eagle one. But yeah guys, enough jibber jabber, let's get right on into this video. So here we have the box. It's your standard Gemini Jets box with the American Eagle E-175 on it, the Embraer logo, American Airlines logo, and Gemini Jets logo. It's your standard mid-sized medium range aircraft box. Here are the sides. Here is the back of the box. Again, looking very good. Here is the flap. It's going to be a little difficult. I guess pause it and flip your screen if you're on mobile. If not, then I wouldn't care for it. There's not much information in there. There's your E-175. I believe I have flown on this airplane or one digit off. This one is November 233, November. And last year going out to Montana, I swear I flew on this particular aircraft, or I've seen this aircraft before. But this one is the E-175 LR, I believe, because of the way the winglets or the sharklets look, however you like to say, the little dabs at the end of the wings. But it sits, it kind of squats like a normal E-175. I don't understand why this plane squats. Maybe it's just the way it was designed, but it squats. Hopefully you can kind of see it. Kind of squats, yeah. And it has this super weird angled winglets on it. Got your beautiful little engines there. And overall, it's a really solid model, and I'm super excited to have this in my Envoy American Eagle fleet. So make sure you stay tuned for this one. And in a week from this upload, I have the third Easter model coming out. I'm not going to say which one that is. But a week from here, I have the third Easter model, and 3 days from now, I have this American Eagle coming out. Anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation signing off.